The birds were singing, flowers were blooming bright. Trees were dancing with the breeze. Everything felt pure and light. But then the people came cutting trees, harsh against the sky. Deer ran away in fear, and birds forgot to fly. Nature stood in silence, wounded and alone.
You have destroyed my forest! You destroy my children, and now you shall feel my wrath! I will end this destruction!
Soon the rivers dried up, and the fields turned into sand. People were starving, reaping the pain of their own hands. Then a caring little hand planted a seed of hope, and that hope kept spreading farther, till greenery bloomed all around. Mother Earth smiled at last, her heart filled with delight. Save the trees, save the rivers, save every life you see. Save the birds, save the animals, let every heart be free. When we protect the forest, the nature will protect us. When we heal Mother